Welcome to this guide on NFT use cases. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have revolutionized how we think about digital ownership. Today, we'll explore the real-world applications of these unique blockchain-based assets across four major industries: art, gaming, music, and real estate. Let's dive into how NFTs are transforming these sectors and creating new opportunities for creators and consumers alike. Before we explore specific applications, let's understand what NFT use cases actually mean. NFTs represent ownership of unique digital assets on the blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. The beauty of NFTs lies in their versatility. They're being adopted across multiple industries, transforming how we own and trade both digital and physical assets. From digital artwork to virtual real estate, NFTs are reshaping traditional business models. The art world was one of the first to embrace NFTs. Digital artists can now sell their original works with verifiable ownership recorded on the blockchain. This solves a major problem in digital art, proving authenticity and ownership. What makes this even more revolutionary is that artists can program their NFTs to automatically receive royalties every time their work is resold on secondary markets. Beyond fine art, NFTs have created thriving collectible markets. From profile pictures to rare digital items, NFTs create genuine scarcity and value in the digital space, something that was impossible before blockchain technology. Gaming represents one of the most exciting applications of NFT technology. Players can now truly own their in-game assets, such as weapons, skins, characters, and other items as tradable NFTs. Unlike traditional games where you never really own your items, NFTs allow you to buy, sell, and even transfer assets across different games. This has given rise to the play-to-earn economy, where gamers can earn valuable NFTs through gameplay and sell them in open marketplaces for real money. This model has transformed gaming from pure entertainment into a potential source of income for skilled players. The music industry is leveraging NFTs to create direct connections between artists and fans. Musicians can release exclusive tracks, full albums, concert tickets, and unique experiences as limited edition NFTs, cutting out middlemen and keeping more revenue for themselves. Smart contracts embedded in these NFTs enable automatic royalty distribution. This means that whenever an NFT is resold, royalties are automatically distributed to the original creators and any collaborators. This creates a fairer and more transparent system for compensating artists, solving long-standing issues in the music industry. Real estate is entering the NFT space in two fascinating ways. First, physical property ownership is being tokenized, meaning real estate can be divided into fractional NFT shares. This makes real estate investment accessible to people who couldn't afford to buy entire properties, democratizing an industry that was traditionally only for the wealthy. Second, virtual land in metaverse platforms is being bought and sold as NFTs. People and companies are purchasing digital properties where they can build virtual stores, galleries, event spaces, and more. Some of these virtual properties have sold for millions of dollars, creating an entirely new real estate market. Let's recap the major NFT use cases we've covered. In art and collectibles, NFTs provide verifiable ownership and ensure creators receive ongoing royalties. In gaming, they enable true asset ownership and revolutionary play-to-earn economic models. The music industry benefits from direct artist-to-fan connections and automated royalty payments through smart contracts. And in real estate, NFTs enable fractional ownership of physical properties and create entirely new markets for virtual land. These are just a few examples of how NFTs are transforming industries. As the technology matures, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge across various sectors.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.